Hello students, this is Swati, your mathematics teacher. In this video, today I will teach you a new chapter that is decimal. Decimal. Decimal plays a very important role in mathematics. The word decimal is derived from the Latin word decim. That meaning is 10. So the decimal comes from the Latin word decimus meaning tenth from the root word decim or 10. The decimal system therefore has 10 as its base and is sometimes called a base 10 system. So in the above picture, following is an example which shows the decimal point as well as its value. Now let's learn more about decimal place value. A decimal number consists of a whole number and a fractional part that is separated by a decimal point. Generally, we learn in a place value table on moving a digit from right to the left by one place, its place value becomes 10 times. But similarly, in the decimal place value, on moving a digit from left to the right by one place, its place value becomes 1/10. To find out the place value of the digits in a decimal number, we can use a decimal place value chart. In the above example, the value of the digits of decimal points are 5 by tenths, 9 by hundreds and 1 by thousands. So this is how we can find out the place value of decimal point. We can also represent our decimal numbers on a number line to represent tenths. The distance between each whole number on a number line is partitioned into 10 equal parts where each part represents a tenth. Now let's learn how can we convert a fraction into decimal. A fraction with denominator 10 or its higher power can be converted to decimal easily. Therefore, it is convenient to find the decimal equivalent of a fraction by converting its denominator into the sum power of 10. In order to convert a fraction into decimal, we follow these steps. Obtain the fraction or convert it into an equivalent fraction with denominator 10, 100 or 1000, etc. Write the numerator and mark the decimal point after as many places from the right as there are zeros after 1 in the denominator. So this is how we can convert a fraction into decimal. Now let's learn how can we convert a decimal into fraction. Our first step is to obtain the decimal, then write the numerator as the number obtained by removing the decimal. Now our last step is to write the denominator as 1 as followed by as many zeros are there are at decimal places in the given number. Or we can simplify the fraction if it is required. So this is all about decimal. I hope this topic is clear to all of you. Thank you. Have a great day.